How do you dress when you want more attention? I have a friend who is a very attractive girl. She has a great body and a pretty face, but she doesn't like to show it off. She usually wears baggy clothes and no makeup, and she looks like a tomboy. She is also very shy and quiet, and she doesn't like to be the center of attention. One day we had a school event where we had to dress up. She came to school wearing a tight dress and high heels, and she had her hair and makeup done. She looked stunning. Everyone was staring at her, and some guys were even drooling. She was getting a lot of compliments and attention, but she looked very uncomfortable. She kept tugging at her dress and avoiding eye contact. She told me later that she hated it. She said she felt like a piece of meat and that everyone was judging her. She said she didn't like the way people were looking at her and that she felt exposed. She said she preferred her usual style because it made her feel more comfortable and confident. She said she didn't want to be noticed for her looks, but for her personality. I think she learned that day that dressing up doesn't always mean getting positive attention.